Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an online course with Teachable easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Teachable account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Teachable website. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. To start a new course, click on the Courses tab in the left-hand menu. Next, click on the New Course button. A pop-up window will appear asking for your course title. Enter a descriptive title for your course. You can also add a subtitle to give more context about your course content. Click Create Course to move on to the course setup page. Now you'll see several sections to fill in for your course. Begin with the Curriculum section. Here, you can add modules and lessons for your course structure. Click the Add Section button to create your first module. Within that module, click Add Lesson to create individual lessons. For each lesson, you can choose various formats such as video, text, or quizzes. Next, move to the Settings tab to customize your course details. Here, you can set up pricing options for your course. Choose between free, one-time payment, or subscription models. Now, head over to the Design section to personalize the look of your course. You can upload a course image and select color schemes. Ensure your branding aligns with your overall style. After completing the design, review your curriculum and settings. Make sure everything is organized and clear. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your course live. You can always go back and update course content later. Congratulations, you've successfully created your online course with Teachable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.